Hey? Wah. My little guy. Yeah. Whoa. Give kisses. Give me kisses. No, you think my finger is a beak? Yeah. What? What you doing? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Pa pa pa. You say hello to the people. You say hello. I'm almost done molting. Yeah. Oh, all over, doofus. Yeah, you silly. Silly volts. Yeesh. That's not. It's not with my fingernail. It looks like he's biting me, but he's barely actually biting me. It does not hurt at all. He's doing small little, like tiny little nibbles at best. He's just trying to play. Yeah. Yeah, go bite the people. No, he wants to continue playing. Alright, say goodbye. Bye to the people. Yeah. Bye, Vooch. And you, Vooch.